Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. Check out this brand new 2021 Genesis GV80 SUV. It's an absolutely gorgeous car. This car belongs to a friend of mine, and in today's video I'll be installing the side window deflector on this vehicle. Besides looking good, these window deflectors will allow you to crack the window open a little bit for fresh air to come in when it's raining, and also allow for ventilation while the vehicle is parked on a hot day. The installation is not too difficult, and I'll show you how in this video. Before I begin, let me take a minute to show you around the car. This GV80 is brand new, just got delivered a couple days ago. It's absolutely beautiful inside and out. Let's first take a look at the window deflectors. It comes with 4 pieces, 2 for the front doors and 2 for the back doors. Let me first show you the back one. Here's the front, and here's the back. You see the 3M double-sided tape? Let me show you one of the front window deflector. And here's the front, and here's the back. So let's start with the front passenger side. Use some rubbing alcohol and a towel and clean the surface where a 3M double-sided tape will stick to. Peel back the backing on a double-sided tape and fold the edge over so you can remove it later. Now you don't want to pull the entire backing off because you want to position the deflector in the proper location. Do the same thing with the other end. You want to line up the end of the deflector to the edge of a door. Push this corner down. Now line up this front edge and push it down. Now you can pull back the backing on the double-sided tape. Press the edge down, make sure the double-sided tape has full contact with the door. And let me show you what it looks like. Now repeat the same steps for the back one. And here's a look at one side done. Now one thing I want to point out about this back piece is make sure you align the back side first. But if you look at the front side, there's a gap here. Now if you have this deflector push forward to cover this chrome area, what happens is that when you open the front door, it'll actually hit this edge of the visor. To make it look nicer, what I'm going to do is cut a small piece of black vinyl and just tape this over. And let me show you what I mean. If I open the door, you see this edge of the door is very close to this visor. That's why you will need this gap here. Here's what it looks like with a black vinyl sticker installed. Now repeat the same steps for the driver's side. And here's what the driver's side looked like. Here's a look at the middle. And it will clear when I open the door. As you can see, it looks pretty good. The installation is also very simple. If you do happen to own a Genesis GV80 and you want to install window deflectors on your vehicle, instead of paying the dealer or a shop to install it, this is something you can do yourself. Now if you want to know where you can buy it, check out the link below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.